Did you know that bears mark their territory by scratching trees and rubbing their bodies? Bears can also see color, which helps them find berries and other food. Even more surprising is that some bear species can hibernate for up to 7 months without eating, drinking, or excreting waste. Bears can also swim up to 6 miles per hour. Do you know how many species of bears there are in the world? All these questions will be answered in this video. Today, I am going to tell you all the mysterious facts about bears that you might not have heard before. So, without further delay, let's get started. There are 8 species of bears in the world. The 8 species are American black bear, Asian black bear, brown bear, polar bear, sloth bear, spectacled bear, sun bear, and giant panda. Bears are found on every continent except Antarctica. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, even better than dogs. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur to absorb heat. Brown bears can run at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. The giant panda's diet is over 99% bamboo. Bears are classified as carnivores, but many are omnivorous. Some bear species can hibernate for up to 7 months without eating, drinking, or excreting waste. The smallest bear species is the sun bear, weighing up to 150 pounds. The largest bear species is the polar bear, with males weighing up to 1,500 pounds. Brown bears are also known as grizzly bears in North America. Bears have a large brain compared to their body size, making them quite intelligent. Black bears can be black, brown, or even white. Bears use their claws for digging, climbing, and catching prey. Polar bears are excellent swimmers and can swim for several days without rest. A bear's sense of hearing is also very acute. Bears communicate with a variety of sounds, including growls, roars, and huffs. Bear cubs are born blind and hairless. Mother bears are very protective of their cubs. The spectacled bear is the only bear native to South America. The American black bear is the most common bear species in North America. Sloth bears use their long, curved claws to tear open termite mounds. Sun bears have a long tongue to extract honey from beehives. Bears have 5 toes on each paw. The Kodiak bear, a subspecies of brown bear, lives on the Kodiak archipelago in Alaska. Polar bears primarily hunt seals. Bears have a strong bite force, capable of crushing bones. Bears can see in color, which helps them find berries and other food. The bear's Latin name, Ursus, means bear in Latin. Some bears, like the giant panda, have a pseudo-thumb to help grasp bamboo. Bears mark their territory by scratching trees and rubbing their bodies against them. Polar bears are classified as marine mammals because they spend most of their life on sea ice. Brown bears in Alaska catch salmon during the annual salmon run. Bears have been part of human culture and mythology for centuries. The bear is a symbol of Russia and is featured on many of their emblems. Polar bears have a layer of fat, or blubber, that keeps them warm in cold temperatures. Grizzly bears have a distinctive hump of muscle on their shoulders. Some bears can stand on their hind legs to get a better view, or to intimidate others. The spectacled bear gets its name from the distinctive markings around its eyes. Bears are solitary animals, except during mating season and when females are raising cubs. Bears can live up to 25 years in the wild. Bear cubs stay with their mother for up to 2 years. Polar bears use sea ice as a platform to hunt seals. The giant panda's digestive system is more similar to that of a carnivore, despite its herbivorous diet. Sloth bears carry their cubs on their backs while foraging. The sun bear is the least studied bear species. Brown bears have one of the largest ranges of any bear species. American black bears are excellent tree climbers. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores in the world. The Andean bear is another name for the spectacled bear. Bears can swim up to 6 miles per hour. The name grizzly bear comes from the grizzled or silver-tipped appearance of their fur. Bears have large, non-retractable claws. The polar bear's scientific name is Ursus maritimus, meaning maritime bear. Giant pandas have a thumb that is actually a modified wrist bone. Bears use their keen sense of smell to find food from miles away. The brown bear's range extends across North America, Europe, and Asia. Polar bears rely on sea ice to hunt seals, their primary prey. Bears are part of the Ursidae family. The polar bear's fur is not actually white, but transparent and reflects visible light. Sun bears have a distinctive orange-yellow crescent on their chest. Black bears are known to den in hollow trees, caves, and even under houses. Sloth bears have a shaggy coat and a mane around their shoulders. Bears have been known to use tools, such as using a rock to scratch their back. Brown bears have been observed using sticks to dig for roots and insects. The spectacled bear is primarily herbivorous, feeding on fruits, berries, and vegetation. The American black bear's diet includes fruits, nuts, insects, and small mammals. Polar bears are excellent at navigating the Arctic sea ice. Bears have a keen sense of direction and can travel long distances. Brown bears can dig large dens to hibernate in during the winter. The polar bear's thick fur and blubber keep it warm in freezing temperatures. Bears communicate through body language, vocalizations, and scent marking. The Kodiak bear is one of the largest subspecies of brown bear. Bears have been featured in literature, folklore, and popular culture. The polar bear's paws are adapted for walking on ice and swimming. Bears are known to have a playful side, especially as cubs. Some bears, like the giant panda, have become symbols of conservation efforts. Bears have strong, muscular legs that allow them to run and climb. Brown bears are known to dig for roots, tubers, and small mammals. The polar bear's primary habitat is the Arctic region. Bears are opportunistic feeders and will eat a variety of foods depending on availability. The sun bear's long tongue can reach up to 9 inches in length. Sloth bears have a unique way of sucking up insects through a gap in their teeth. Black bears have been known to break into cabins and cars in search of food. The spectacled bear's range extends from Venezuela to Bolivia. The giant panda's digestive system is not efficient at processing bamboo, so they must eat large quantities. Bears have been known to hypnotize their prey by swaying side to side. The American black bear's range extends from Canada to Mexico. Polar bears are strong swimmers and can cover long distances in search of food. Bears have been observed using tools in the wild, such as using branches to scratch their backs. The brown bear's diet is diverse and can include fish, berries, and small mammals. Polar bears rely on their sense of smell to locate seals under the ice. The giant panda is a national symbol of China and is protected by law. Bears have been known to adapt to human presence and can live in close proximity to urban areas. The sun bear is also known as the honey bear due to its love of honey. Brown bears have a diverse range of vocalizations, including growls, roars, and huffs. The spectacled bear's population is declining due to habitat loss and poaching. Bears have been featured in various cultures' myths and legends as powerful and wise creatures. The giant panda's black and white coloring helps it blend into the forest shadows. Polar bears use their large paws to paddle through the water while swimming. Bears have been known to use their intelligence to solve problems and find food. The American black bear's fur can range in color from black to brown to white. Brown bears are known for their strong digging abilities, which they use to find food and create dens. The polar bear's main threat is climate change, which is reducing sea ice habitat. Bears have a strong sense of hearing, which helps them detect prey and danger. The giant panda's diet is 99% bamboo, but they will occasionally eat small mammals or carrion. Bears use scent marking to communicate with other bears and establish territory. The sun bear's range includes Southeast Asian countries, such as Malaysia and Indonesia. Sloth bears have a distinctive gap in their front teeth that helps them suck up insects. The spectacled bear's name comes from the white markings around its eyes that resemble glasses. Brown bears are found in North America, Europe, and Asia. Bears have been known to mimic human behavior, such as opening doors and windows. The giant panda's thumb is actually an extended wrist bone that helps them grasp bamboo. Polar bears can overheat if they run too fast due to their thick fur and blubber. The American black bear is the smallest of the North American bear species. Brown bears have a diverse diet that includes fish, berries, insects, and small mammals. Friends, did you know all these facts about bears? And definitely comment me which fact you like. Give a like if you like the video, and stay tuned by subscribing the channel.